Mohindo Stephen. I work for my Menigte Farms under workers program. I was posted here in MeFarms Farms in August 16th, and I thank the management of MeFarms Farms and also Menigte Farms as a company for having posted me to this farm. The farm here, as I read here, the farm, it had a problem of kid management, but since I came, death mortality rate of kids has reduced, and the animals, they are now looking nice. My ambitions, I also have a plan of starting up a farm from my savings that I do get, and I really thank the management for the services. I also underwent a training with Menigte Farms. The knowledge I acquired is what I'm using on this farm. I'm here, okay? I'm getting my salary in time, and I'm generally profitable with Bujiri. Thank you.